George, your car's on fire. I was going to get my car out of the way.
Right.
I was going to move mine out of the way and then put it here and then we go straight in.
Well, no, I'm more lined up.
Anyway, this is our new unit. Westmoreland HQ. Beautiful 1JZ Sora in there. There's a story behind this, but I won't go into too many details. But basically, a lad who we're taking the unit over from, he's had a bit of a change of circumstance, and he can't keep the unit. Unfortunately, he's having to break this 1JZ Sora. This whole Corolla shell's got to go back down to his house, and we'll take that tomorrow. Then when we help him strip this, it'll be out of the way. There's room for a good 4 cars here. We're going to put the Volvo in first, and the rest of them will be coming up here tomorrow. Back up, the second day of moving. Cam's here this time. So we're gonna get the Volvo back out. We've got the trailer today. We'll get the Volvo out. We get this out and into the trailer, and then get the Volvo back and get the Micro up here. We're not bringing Cam's up here because he got fucking done over, mate.
Bit of titties.
Silly cunt. Cam's sweeping up already. Look.
Fucking wanker.
Recording. Why are you getting naked? What you got? Fucking tit. Notice Cam find a mirror, look. Is that a fucking little monkey in there? Fuck's that all about? Weird little monkeys. Just drop this back down to Tim's now.
That's it.
So that dropped off. Just picking the Clio up now from my mother's garage. Bless her. You're such a tit.
Out of it as well if you can.
Right, you'll see this smoke like fuck in a minute, and this is why it's off the road. We think we. Whoa. Yeah, we think we've done the piston rings. George, your car's on fire. Car's on fire, mate.
Shooting rings out the back of it.
You're doing smoke rings, mate. Jordan, grab it. Smoke rings. Right. You're right. You got it, just go.
Hang on, man. Fucking jockey wheel.
Oh shit. Put it back in.
Get past as well.
I know. It's tough, isn't it?
Tell him to keep coming.
Shit's on fire, yo.
Still gonna send it. What? Jordan, mate, you leave the windows open and come out the window.
You stuck in there?
Ben, is this side been down the whole time we've been?
No, I've
No.
put it down.
Go on.
It started wheel spinning. Where the fuck you put it all? You're always eating.
What a fucking drink for you all.
Oh, you absolute star. I take it back. I take it back. Got that Fanta fruit twist. What the fuck have you got?
Pepper steak slice.
I bet it won't. Nah, flat as a witch's tit. We're gonna have to push it off. Yeah, you can roll it back as long as it's all out of the way. Well, get on the brakes ready.
Go on, just go.
No, because it's gonna scrape.
Yeah.
Oh, you're alright, I think. Go on, you're alright. Yeah, it's bottomed out. Bottomed out. We got to get the front up some more. Fuck's it caught on? It's caught on the exhaust bracket like it did with the Clio, with the Volvo.
Yeah.
Brake! Or don't. Yeah, I didn't fuck my plant up. Cam thinks we're turning this into a fucking rave warehouse.
Drop down.
I mean, it's a bit much for in here, isn't it?
Stupid.
No faith. What do I put over there? Oh shit, we need 3 or 4, yeah? We have 4. Yeah, we do.
Your face is going to say hello concrete.
Cam, you're in silhouette there, you look really majestic. Put it on the middle one as well. It keeps it up off of that lock then. There you go. So that's it, we're all set up for now. Got the Clio in there. Got the welding set, all the engine crane and everything, and the tunes. So that'll do for now. Say, and what? Oh yeah, can't forget the tree. I already showed them that. Cam, say like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.